Hey there guys, welcome to Adeline Garage, and this is a quick tech tip. Now let me guess, this little nugget of a cap is probably your third or fourth one. Either breaking off, cracking, and just going missing, and just replacing it over and over again. Well, here's a little upgrade. And here's that upgrade. This is the Ford Factory RS windshield washer fluid reservoir cap. Now what's great about this cap here is that it's actually a softer rubber, so you can pop it up, and as you can see, it's a hinge. There's nothing here to keep bending and bending and bending and crack. It's actually probably the easiest mod you'll ever do, and here's how we do it. So first thing you'll probably want to do is make sure your washer fluid is lower than this little cap area here, and then really just pull up. That's it to remove it. There's no screws, there's nothing. Just pull up, and then you take the new one. You see that little hole down there, slide that in. See your hook here, slide that in, and that's it. Alright guys, so I hope that helps get rid of this little menace here and give you a longer lasting setup for your washer fluid. As always, the links and the part numbers will be down below, and this is just one of our short videos. We have full-length videos as well in different playlists from Focus to F-150. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share to anyone else that you might think needs this upgrade. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.